Hey guys, all right, so I also wanted to make a video to show you guys how some of the lessons that will be sent to your babies will look potentially. And then also at times I will send you a lesson that has been screencast similar to this, where I will actually be on here talking through a concept and doing it with the babies, and then eventually later I will send this to them for them to manipulate. So with all that being said, just this is an example lesson, and I tried to give you a reason why we were doing what we were doing, but very simple. So like if I sent this to your child, this is what they would do. They would use their mouse, they would use the laptop, or they would touch with the iPad. You may have to read them the directions, but like for this one, you're going to sort all of the objects into the jar. So all of the green jelly beans will go into the jar. And so they will do this physically with their mouse or on the iPad. And so after, you do all of that, they go to the next slide, etc. And so there'll be times where I will send this to you in the Google Classroom. You will be able to see this on the feed or under the classwork tab. And you will be able to click on that activity. It will pull up like this, and then your baby will begin to do the activity, and then I will later be able to see that. So that's really neat. It's almost like a way for me to assess them. And then I want to show you this one because it's a little bit different, but I don't know. I just feel like this one might be different for them. So again, there are some instructions. Click on the start and listen. So at times there will be things that are interactive in these slides that your baby needs to listen to. So I will try to make sure that that's very clear in the directions. But for example, they will need to click on this and listen. All right, so that is the letter R, obviously. And so this is movable, so they will, on their laptop, computer, or iPad, drag this to the matching letter. All right, and I will be able to see what they have done. And so the main thing is yes, they're going to probably need a little bit of monitoring with this, especially the littles like K3. But try not to do it for them. Like, don't guess the answers for them, because I really want to be able to see where they are. And this is a great way for me to do that. But very simple and also very fun. I think they're going to love these things that we've created because they're game-like. So, all right. Hope you enjoy.